ISTV News Bank Tabir Puno Pot Taram Noksari, who's a handle and sing Muru Paul Lubisi. Manipur Sarkarna, Bioresource Season and about Hona the Basi, Labak Timin Haina, Union Minister Hers Burden of Fondokre. Hosipok Sandro Pizri. Bioresource Marakana Ladyba, Manipur Sarkarna, Masibu Matiksana, Season and about Hona the Basi, Tasana Lamdamasi, Labak Timin Haina, Science and Technology Union Minister Dr. Hers Burden Ngasi. Tagal Pataleba Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development IBSD ge Nauna Sagadaba Technology and Skill Development Center ge Urefuyung Tambagi Torom Haikre Ngasi Urefuyung Tambagi Tormaduda IBSD ge Director Dinabandu Sahu Yauna Muyana Surgaki Tawangamari Lenana Director Dinabandu Sahuna Nauna Sagaturba Center is Namiam the Kanaba Pangalagani Tahungi Manunda Saba Loisina Honagani Haiki Union Minister Dr. Hers Burden Housing Ladyba Science Center asi Matonga Sanabam Onga Sengot Pagaloina districts in the Science Center among Tamna Honagani Mana Makataraduna Tabak Ama my park na Pangtona Bohona the Katopam Sung Tomo Sing Sangi Northeast is testing the Ladyba potential singer season Duna Manaba Kunayama Siamnaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi Miang Makala Yamnakan Honari Masida Lamdamasid Ladyba expert amasung scientist singna routine education dagi thorotuna entrepreneur ama oiduna lamdamasigi pukaibu mafamchana season duna saukhat hanaba honaminaba tangai fadi haiki.
We have to learn from our own past or from the achievements of the rest of the world, and then how can we try and find solutions for them in our own country by the application of our mind. Our intellectual acumen is well tested and well established internationally also. And I can assure on behalf of the Government of India that I will personally supervise when I go back whatever support etc. is needed for the development of this institute. When I came here in the morning and I saw that this institute was established in 2001, and when I saw the condition or the journey of the institute for last 14 years, I felt a little sorry about the state of affairs, in the sense that in 14 years an institute, with the help of the various governments at the helm of affairs, an institute which has a potential and about which it's mentioned that this is one of the most prestigious places not only in India but of the whole world.
Self-Employment Voluntary Association Babupara Infalna Sinduna Nomigoiba Lomi Singi Training Program Ama Kamong Langolzam Lekai de Leiba Seva Village Agriculture Information Center da Pangtok Kraheri. How's the Pog Martin Brematong Lobanese? Break Matunda Taramok National Horticulture Scheme Haibahiramda State Level Awareness Program Amangase National Horticulture Board Guwahati Amadi Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture Manipur and Khusam Naduna State Guest House ke Conference Hall Pangtokre Taramada National Horticulture Board ke Additional Director NC Mystery Amadi Manipur Sarkar ke Horticulture and Soil Conservation ke Additional Director ke Kipjen Amadi, Minister of Horticulture ge Under Secretary and Sana Tomana Maruiba Musing when Surgaki and Sana Tomana Haikibada Asingwa Awareness Program si Apabamani Masina Mana Sanaga the Basin from the Tawayauna Honatuna My Papa Mu Amam Uhen Badanatana Mahna Atopa Musing that Masi Canabasing Pibangam Lagani Haki Horticulture and Soil Conservation ge Officer K. Ace Upendrona Skimasida Piriba Canabasing Manipurda Kangdana Laibasi Kanganaba Panam the program as a pang topani hike.
I see a program in the notice testing the Kanada, especially a Manipur. Manipur city schemes in Makata Cam Gleba. Some Harbada, Lachut Zara Taba, the Hira Taba, upgradation of cold storage, the refrigerated pan, Sumba, tokai mogi incentive program amram lai masi program sing ya ko horticulture conservation horticulture chen ma pa to program sing chi dagi thodok khendo to pa mona se ho che go na to program sing chi praja sing khana ba ri pan na pang to program
Ngaseu angan beda Sagolban Bijoy Govinda mapagi Nambul Turelda nupagi asib haksang ama tawkhalakre Laikhidraba miyodi uripok asom lekai digi Laikhidraba Urembam Khomeigi masanupa Urembam Bung sehine pukawi hari Emu manung dagi phangba paugi matungina Laikhidraba Bung asi haukiba tang tara dagi mayum dagi thokiba dagi thiba khangdana lakibani hari Imphal West ki police team mama laktuna yengsinki Handak Kerala ge National Games da Archery ge Indian Round Mix team da goal amadi Indian Round Man Team event da goal lorlaba Sundar Mayang Lambambo Arafti Mayai Lekai Social Club na Arafti Mayai Lekai Kangjai Bungda Harau Tayamna okre Hauji Pagi Maraktana aten break amom kalumanase Iroi Semba Upper Primary School ge Oja Singh na paisa khaina duna school asigi mahiroi Singh da bag khongof moja amadi Taina Singba Polam Kaya Lem na Yanthokre Hari Thoromaduda ZEO John 1 gi Uripok Maike gi AI OIRB A Moirang Lema Devina Thoromapu Oiki Hari Board of Secondary Education Manipur na loba class 10 gi parikya ngasidagi hokre board ki center kontrama thoi amadi private center homputareta punna mahiroi lising kunipan samri neputare na parikya thari handaki parikya sida ahan boina maiti me ki subject ahan boina yauri Loina board ki flying squad security amadi magistrate na singna parikya si ningthijana sathanaba kanbum ongda section tharang locally Loina parikya center singda electronics device amata position kide parikya sigi akoi bida mi satok sasin tobada athing bisu thamkre loisalakpada ngasing muri pau amukana pijre Manipur Sarkar na bioresource season na ba hona da basi labak thibani haina Union Minister Hers na phangdokre Hojikidi ISTV ni pau batang slojre me tabri basingbo amukana khrumjare